folks, it's me again. What did I screw up? I screwed up the hole. It almost came out right until I decided to get hasty and try to rush. So, I'm back to square one. I'm going to remake another one of these, and then this time I'm going to take my time. This time I might draw a little pattern on here, which I have. Actually, I'm going to sand this flat first so I can put it straight down. And I'm going to use it to draw a pattern, because it's what it looks like it's good for. So yeah, I basically screwed it up by, like they say, don't rush. Well, I rushed. So I'm going to use this as a prototype. So I see I can get the thing here. So I'm guessing, like most people, I need to draw, pound a hole here, 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 and possibly take a tiny little end mill, which I don't even think I own, and machine it out. If I had one of those little like things there, what do they call them? Shaper, I probably could do it. So what I might do is lop it off right about here and make a small little handle for twirling, and then practice on this one. So if I can do this, like, let's see if I can get this right on here somehow. If I can do that, move over a little here. See if I can get this in there. Oop. I don't know, can't get it. Wonder if I can. Almost. Can't really. The hole's too big on this side. I have to do it on this side. If I can get this to go on here like so, and get the little points in there, I could probably get it done, but that's it for now. I'm going to keep working on this until I get it done. This part's easy. Just tap a hole and screw it up. This part could be a problem. Well, not this part. This part. So if anybody's got any solutions to making a hexagonal hole, I have a collet block to make a hexagon. What do you call it? Bar, but how do you make a hexagon? Or I'm just going to take a ratchet and just drill it out and press it in there. That'd be the easiest way. Even then, I would still need, what do you call it? Some kind of tool to make the exact size of the ratchet. Which I don't have every single size of, what do you call it? Drill thing. So I should check what size end mills I have and see what size collets I have and see what works and what doesn't. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope everybody clicks like, subscribe, and enjoys my videos, because it's just me learning, doing stuff. So thanks for watching. Toodles. Hello, folks. I was checking in my lack of tooling, and I have a 1/4 inch 230R, I don't know, 0.0 whatever guard tool, and I have a 1/4 inch what do you call it, R8 collet. So that we have the collet. I'm guessing I could cut this in here, cut this way, this way. It might take some jerry rigging, I guess. I don't know. I could figure it out somehow. But anyway, I'm going to try to draw out the little thing on here somewhere, and this time try to do it the right way. So with that said, I do have at least the next try. I'm going to try this again. So if you want to watch me fail a couple of times before I make this handle, I definitely will get it done. I just don't know when. This end's easy. Just one hole. It's this hole that's going to be a little bit of a problem. My other option is I take the, what do you call it? The spindle off the, what do you call it? The Kurt Vise, and I shave off one side and make it square. I could square that off. That would be probably easier, but I'd probably screw that up too. So, so anyway, I will leave it at that. So watch my next video. Thanks for watching.